Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see file not found on FitGirl download error. Let's fix it guys. Just click on OK and just retrying it. I'm getting the same error as you can see. To fix this, you just need to cancel this, and now you just need to check my video description for this video link. Watch this video first to download the game correctly and avoid setup errors. And after that, you can double click on the setup and select yes and select OK option. Select this music icon to mute the music and make sure nothing is running in the background. And if you have under 8 GB RAM, then check mark this box guys, limit installer, and then select next option and select next and select the location where you want to save this game and select next. And in game and language, select your preferred language and then scroll down. Uncheck these three options guys: update DirectX, download and install Visual C++. Uncheck all of these in the game you are trying to install and then select install option. And now the installation started guys, as you can see. Now you just need to check my video description for this video link. Follow this video steps to prevent missing DLL files error. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.